Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn how to implement the browser navigation commands. We have totally 4 navigation commands: navigate.to, forward, back and refresh. It is literally easier one to learn. First we will learn what is a navigation command. If you consider any browser, whatever which falls under this area is a web application. Everything comes under web application. But when you consider this toolbars belongs to a window application. Selenium have a readily available methods so that we can use back, forward, refresh and navigating to another URL in the active window. We have the methods for WinObject also. This particular method will be very useful while doing Selenium project, and also it is very easier one to understand. For all the 4 methods, I have created a sample scenario. What we are going to do is we have to launch this URL, then click on free Python nodes. After that, we are going to click on back button, then after few seconds forward button. From here, we are directly navigating to the Selenium WebDriver syllabus. After navigating, we are going to refresh this screen, then close the application. So, our scenario covers all the 4 methods. Now we will see the coding. From now, I am not going to explain you how to create the class and do the WebDriver path setup. Since we have seen it in multiple examples, we will directly concentrate on the required methods. The first step is we have to click on free Python nodes. For that, driver dot find element by dot partial link text nodes or Python, whichever you want, dot click. After navigating to that particular page, we have to click on back button. For that, driver dot navigate dot back. That's it. What this will do, it will back to the home page. Then as per our requirement, we have to navigate forward. So driver dot navigate dot forward. After this, we have to navigate to a new URL in the current active URL page. Driver dot navigate dot to. Within the double quote, mention the URL. So it is navigating to that particular URL. We have to refresh the screen. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. Once done, we have to close the application. Driver dot close or quit as you wish. As per the sample test case, we completed the coding. Now we will execute it. Since the execution will be very fast, I am adding wait for 5 seconds. But I am saying it once again, this is not a good practice. Just for you, I am adding it. Thread dot sleep 5 seconds. Interrupted exception. Just copy paste between each execution so that it will be easy for us to see the execution. Let me execute, run as Java application. Browser launched, navigating to the home page. Maximized, clicking on free Python nodes. Now it should click back after 5 seconds. Yeah, it did. Just clicked on back, waiting for 5 seconds, then forward. From now, it should navigate to Selenium syllabus. After navigating there, after waiting for 5 seconds, it should refresh it. Refreshed. Now, it should close the browser. Yes, it worked exactly as per our requirement. Hope you got a clear picture about browser navigation commands. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.